What's up, guys? Bstanko6 with the Durnitz Elite Flotilla. Today's video is going to be about a particular calculator that I don't normally use. It's called the 3-bearing angle on bow calculator. And what it does is you have to take 3 bearings and you do a little subtraction. And at the end, wherever the first bearing was, you will know the AOB on that ship. So without further ado, let's do that. So just so you know what it looks like, if you have NYGM, or excuse me, I should say maGUI, it's this tool right here. It's this weird looking tool. Alright, the first thing you need to do is you need to take the first bearing. So let's do that. Okay, the first rule about this particular tool is you have to be at a dead stop. Your target has to move at least 5 degrees each time you take a check. And when you start the clock, you have to go to that time frame each time. So if it's 10, if you start the clock and you wait 10 minutes for the second bearing, then the third bearing has to be 10 minutes exactly. So let's take a look at what we got. We're going to do 47 and start the clock. I usually write this down. Okay, we're gonna go a couple of minutes here. We'll go about 2 minutes here. Okay, we're gonna mark that 57 at 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go a little bit longer. Let's make that 68. It's our bearing 3. I'm using my notepad to do this. Otherwise, you kind of get lost. So how this works is this: you're going to take your bearing number 2, which was 57, minus bearing 1, which was 47, which equals 10. All right. So that's your first one. The second one is going to be your third bearing, which was 68, minus the first bearing, 47. Okay, excuse me, let me just get my piece of paper here. Alright, so it's 68 minus 47. Yes, I'm bad at math, so I use a calculator, which is 21 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to get the tool. Let's get the tool. Stop the clock here first. Okay, let's unlock everything because I don't care about it. Alright, so in this disk, B2 minus B1, which is right here, it's marked on the calculator, was 10 degrees. So I'm looking for 10, which is right here. And now I'm going to take my B3, it's right here, or it was right here, B3 minus B1, which is 21, and we're going to line those two together. So here's 21, and we're going to line it with 10. Okay. Angle on the bow at the time was at about 65. At the first bearing. So if I take my ship and I go back to 47, okay, it was 65. So now if I lock it, come back around, okay, that's your bearing. Now see, I don't like this tool, because I know that this ship is actually going 90 degrees or 180 degrees. That's a course, and as I move my UZO, I mean here's 90 degrees. I know for a fact this ship should be somewhere around here. but according to this tool, it should be further down here. It's just not accurate for me. But in a long shot, it can give you a course. So at 47, let's do it again. Let's take a look at the tool. It's telling me 65 degrees. If 21 and 10 are together. Yeah, I don't agree with it. That's just me. So I hope this video helps you out and helps you at least use this tool for whatever purpose you would see it for.